Hey, what's up, besties? So I get tons of questions about how I'm able to stay within budget, how I'm able to stick to a budget. A lot of people leave me comments and say that they're really trying over and over and over again to stop overspending, etc. So in today's video, I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes for my daily expenses. I'm also going to be giving like some tips and tricks throughout the video on how you can stay within your budget. I know this is not an exact budgeting video, but this is one of the things that I do to make sure that I stay within budget and I'm not going over in those areas that is easy to do. So if that's something that you're here for, go ahead and stay tuned. All right, besties, so I am going to be stuffing a total of $304 today, and I am using my cash bag. I'm gonna open it a little bit different today. I'm gonna open it from this side. So I usually open it from this side, but I wanna show you guys that you can open it from other sides as well. If you are interested in this, please make sure that you message me on Instagram, and then I will send you the direct link. So for those of you guys who don't know, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel we talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If this is your very first time here, welcome. I am starting over in my budgeting journey, and that includes paying off past due bills. That includes working on being debt free, and just really starting the whole process all over again. If you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey, welcome back to the channel. I am super excited that you are back. You know, you guys are my girls and guys. I don't know if I have any guys who are subscribed to me, but if I do, leave it down in the comments. I would like to know. But if you are a gentleman, if you could just leave me a yo, a what's happening in the comments so we know that it's not just women. All right, so I am going to be stuffing $304. I was supposed to be stuffing $374, but what happened was my calculations got wrong. I went to the hair shop. I wasn't able to get cash first, so I had to pay her in Zelle, and I gave her $70, and when I went to the bank, for some reason I took the whole 70. I left the 70 in the bank, but really I only needed to leave 50 in the bank and keep 20, so it was a big old mess. So I'm off by $20. It's okay. And then I have some money here. This was from my side hustle budget. I have made some additions to that. And if you didn't catch that video, please make sure that you guys check it out after this video. I'm talking about, it's a lot of stuff in that video. We're doing a giveaway for an amazing planner. I am talking about how much money YouTube paid me, most money that they've ever paid me in one check. And then I'm also, what else did we do? That was just a jam-packed video. It was like awesome. So make sure you guys check that out. I will have it linked at the end of this video. So once you watch it, all you need to do is just go right to that one. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be allocating $100 to groceries, household $100, toiletries $50, hair $50, giveaway $10. Well, actually hair, not gonna be allocating to that because I already got my hair taken out. Giveaway $10, DMV $27, trash $37. So I need $20, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 80 in household and take the 20 additional if I need it once I go to Costco, because that's normally where I shop when I go get my household items. So I'm gonna bring out my coin jar here. I know I'm gonna need that. I have my cash thing here, this thing that really takes up so much space. But let's make sure that we have a total of $304. I'm excited because I finally have some big bills here. For the longest, I've been having only small bills. So one day, hopefully I'll get a $100 bill in here. But for right now, this is all that your girl has. Let's make sure we have everything here. right, so we got $304. I'm gonna separate this money out so that we can get started. All right, you guys, so I got my nails done. Look at my nails, aren't they so cute? My nail tech is like, he's so awesome. I usually don't have, I've had a good experience with the nail tech that I have now, because let me tell you guys, nail tech sometimes can be a whole mess. So this is the money that I had left over. I took out $150. I got my feet done, I got my nails done, and well, I got a pedicure, I got my nails done, and then I wanted to get my eyebrows arched, but the lady wasn't there, so that's what's left over here, so I'm just gonna put that right there. All right, look at that, that looks good. So I am going to unstuff my envelope from the last pay period. And I don't really have anything to unstuff. I use all of the cash that I had in here. I do have receipts that I am going to take out and scan. FYI, I do save my receipts so that I can scan them on Fetch Rewards, which I turn my receipts into gift cards. And you can get gift cards to all kind of fancy, nice stores that you already shop at. I like to use my gift cards for Nordstrom's because I really love Nordstrom. But you can get it to Target. There's so many places on there. It's free to download, and all you have to do is scan your receipt, and you get bonus points for scanning your receipt. I get bonus points when you scan your first receipt, and it's just something that I think you'll love. It's really easy. So I have coins in here also that I'm gonna take out. I got this wallet from So Crafty Sinai. So just FYI, if you are looking or if you're in the market for a wallet, you can definitely search her website. I'll have it linked down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the slot for these. All right, you guys see how long that took? That's the reason why I always take the top off and throw the coins inside. So the very first envelope that I'm going to be stuffing is my food envelope. A lot of people say that they go over budget, especially when it comes to groceries or food, because they're using their debit card, in my opinion. So what I do is I take the cash out and I only use what I have budgeted for. There are times where I do go over, and I know how much I go over because I will end up using my debit card after I've used all of the cash that I have in my wallet. Usually it's not by much. However, it does keep me grounded when I'm in the grocery store. Of course, having a grocery list is gonna help. Making sure that you're not going to the grocery store when you're hungry. And going in to make sure that you're only buying what you absolutely need and want. By already having those things jotted down on a piece of paper. You don't need anything fancy. You can put it on in your phone if you need to, in your notes section, and you just go in the store and you don't walk down every aisle. I have definitely been guilty of that. Make sure you only walk down the aisles that you need to. You know, they got the signs at the top where it tells you what's on that row. And just make sure that you shop store brand as opposed to name brand if you can, and be realistic about the things that you eat. The amount that you eat. That's something that I had to do because I don't have a humongous family. Sometimes I'll buy things and it'll go to waste because I think I'm gonna eat it, and because it's only me, I don't end up eating it and it goes totally to waste. So be realistic with what you really need, and you know, so that way you're not wasting food. So I'm giving myself a budget of $500. I would be real hungry. I'm giving myself a budget of $100. So that's gonna be 520s. I think that's what I was gonna say, 500. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And this is the budget I'm giving myself. Next up is going to be house. Now for house, this is everything from like toilet paper, paper towels, cleaning products. That's what this envelope is for, and I'm giving myself $100, but remember I said I was gonna give myself $80 because I need the additional $20. Now, what I may have to do actually is I may have to take that $20 from toiletries, because in house I gave myself two $50 bills. So actually I'm gonna take the $20 from toiletries. Now the toiletries, what I get with that is toothpaste, mouthwash, and things like that, feminine products, things like that. So here I'm gonna give myself $30, so it's gonna be a 20 and a 10. And if I need more, I'll just take the 20 out of the bank. And then next is miscellaneous. This is where I would have put my hair money, but because that's already taken care of, I'll just leave it there. If you guys didn't check out my video where I showed off my wig, here it is. But I did have it on Instagram. And then next is receipts. So this is all that I have for my to-go envelopes. To-go envelopes are envelopes that I keep on me. This is the money that I use. I'm just gonna put this right here. Next up is gonna be my sinking funds. So the categories that I have right now for my sinking funds is giveaway, DMV because I need to get my tags, and then trash. That is what I have right now. I will be creating a new envelope with new priority sinking funds. Did I take out $20 for savings? I thought I did, but I guess I didn't. So car registration is going to be getting $27. That's going to be a 20, a 5, and 2 ones. My registration is $290. And I have to renew my car every year. It goes down, but not by much. It's supposed to go down a lot, but I haven't really seen that lately. It really stays up there. So let's count and see what I have here. 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57. $157. Next is going to be the giveaway, and the giveaway is going to get $10, so that's 2 5s. We're going to be having a giveaway at 30,000 subscribers. Right now we're at 23, I think, so another 7K and then we'll be at our giveaway. Should be a nice giveaway. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19. And basically every time I get paid or some money, I try to make sure that I contribute to this envelope. Next is going to be trash, and my trash is going to get $37, and that's going to be a 20, a 10, a 5, and a 1, but I don't have the 20. So it's actually going to be, it might just be the rest of this. Now I don't have my trash, I don't have a trash envelope. I have to find it. Let's see if this is $37. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 30. This is $37. And what I'm gonna do, I got my handy dandy sticky notes, because you guys know I love a good sticky note. So this is gonna be trash, $37. My trash bill is due at the end of August, and if I save $37 per paycheck, I'll have enough to pay the entire bill. So that is the purpose of sinking funds. It is to save a little bit at a time to meet a financial goal that you have. And it could be for anything. It could be for bills, it could be for traveling if that's what you want to do, it could be for whatever you deem it to be for. But it's usually saving a little bit over time to pay for an expense that you have coming up. So that's everything here. I'm gonna reopen my daily envelopes, and in the area of miscellaneous, this is where I'm gonna add the rest of the money, and hopefully I can get my eyebrows done and my little lippy wax. I do get my lip wax, yes I do. And especially because I'm gonna be attempting to do my own hair, you guys. Until I get my hair done again, I really do want my eyebrows to be done because it'll help. And you know, when I put on my makeup, I won't have to put so much eye makeup around my eyebrows. So anywho, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and being a part. Don't forget to check out the next video, which is going to be in the end screen, which is going to enter you into the giveaway. That's where I'm going over my side hustle budget and income and all that good stuff. And so you can just go right from this video to that video, enter into the giveaway. And if that is it, I will see you guys in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up.